sana'y di tayo magbago kailanman.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Miguel. It is an honor to celebrate this wonderful milestone with you, working under your direction for the past 34 years. I've seen directly your passion, wisdom, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Your leadership and vision have not only shaped our company, but also had a deep impact on all of us who have had the opportunity of working with you. On this very special day, I'd want to convey my heartfelt appreciation for your encouragement and inspiration over the years. May the new chapter bring you joy, good health, and continuous success. I wish you a terrific birthday full of love, laughter, and all the pleasure you deserve. Happy birthday with many more to come.
I'm so much grateful to our God that you've been my God boss for many years. It's an honor and pleasure grabbing this opportunity to speak my birthday greetings for you. My birthday wish for you, sir, may you have a day filled with laughter, surrounded by those who appreciate your incredible leadership. Enjoy your big and special day, Sir Miguel. Stay good and handsome. Once again, happy 60th birthday. Take care and God bless.
Hello po sir, happy 60th birthday po. Wish ko lang po sana magkaroon kayo ng mahabang buhay at magandang kalusugan. Happy 60th birthday. Salamat.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Miguel. May you have many more birthdays to celebrate and God bless.
Hello sir, happy birthday. Stay safe and healthy. God bless po. I miss you sir.
Hello Sir Miguel, maligayang bati sa iyong karawan. Naway bigyan ka ng mahabang buhay para sa iyong pamilya at sa iyong mga nasasakupan na sila mabigyan pa ng trabaho. At sana ipagpatuloy mo ang iyong minimiti na ang naiwang empleyado mo ay mabigyan mo pa ng magandang trabaho. At magiging malawak pa ang iyong branches para sa taong nangailangan ng tulong.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Miguel. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May He makes His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. May He look kindly upon you and grant you peace, good health, and more blessings. Thank you for everything and for making me a part of JPP family. Cheers and enjoy your special day.
Hi sir. Happy 60th birthday sir. Senior ka na rin sir. Kaya sa amin, mga senior. Naway, bigyan ka pa rin ni Lord sir ng marami pang kaarawan, mahabang buhay, in good health, para mapatuloy mo pa rin sa pamalakad ang JPP Central. In your best leadership, the best CEO of Tambunting Group, para marami ka pa rin matulungan sir kagaya sa amin. Dahil sa paganda mong pumalakad sir, inabot kami dyan hanggang sa pagtanda at pag-senior at nakatanggap ng retirement fee. Ngayon, malaking tulong sa aming panibagong buhay sa senior stage of life. Ito, mabuti naman po sir. Dahil sa iyong tulong, sa iyong suporta, nakaraos kami sa maraming taon and more than 3 decades. Maraming ups and downs, good memories, happy memories na nabuo namin dyan sa JPP Central, sa iyong kumpanya sir. Naway tumagal pa para marami pa kayo matulungan sir. At sa ulit, maraming salamat sir. Thank you and more power sir. And we love you sir.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Miguel. May the Lord give you strength and wisdom and make smooth all challenges in life brings you. May the Lord bless you and wrap His mighty arms of protection around you on this extra special day of your life. Stay blessed and enjoy your day to the fullest. I am so grateful that once I became a part of your company that helps me a lot. I earned, at the same time, I learned. Once again, Happy 60th birthday, Sir Miguel. Stay healthy and guwapo. God bless.
Hello, Sir Miguel. Sir, happy birthday. Ang wish ko po sa inyo is good health, long and happy life ahead. Sir, maraming salamat sa kabutihan at sa tulong mo sa akin noong ako'y empleyado mo sa kumpanya. Hindi ko talaga yun, sir, makalimutan. Maraming salamat, sir. At saka, sir, regards ko, sir, sa mga kasamahan ko dati dyan. Miss ko kayong lahat. God bless sa inyong lahat. Again, sir, happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Miguel. Officially, senior na po kayo. Welcome to the club. On your special day and all throughout the years, I wish you all the best in life, in your family, and in your company. May God continue to shower you with blessings and to a blessing to all the employees. Happy birthday, Sir Miguel.
Greetings from Tanhay Retirees. Happy birthday, Sir Miguel.
Pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo, kahit maputi, kahit maputi, kahit maputi.